Etsy. How to sell a product that is not yet ready. How to sell goods to order. Hi guys, this is Svitlana Prokhorivska. This can be displayed in the Etsy listing when it is created. Choose Shop Manager. After that, in Shop Manager Listings, click on Listings. Add a listing here. Add a new listing inside listing. Find please about this listing. Who made it? I did. What is it? A finished product. When did you make? Made to order. Then fill out the listing completely. And after that, click on Publish. What you will receive? You will receive listing that you will make the customer that will buy it. If you need help, please visit my Etsy shop, HowToSellCrafts. With you, Svitlana Prokhorivska. Glory to Ukraine. With love from Ukraine.